Okay, so here is my Santa Cruz Jackal. It's a build that I'm involved with. I think some of the most amazing individuals around the world have helped contribute to amazing things being able to happen, such as working hard and helping amazing parts be available that people can create with the things that others have created and so on. And seriously, I have loved being part of creating this ultimately amazing build, which there is more that I plan to do to it. But this is certainly some that I've helped put together. Some of the detail. It's definitely one of the most favorite bikes I have ever been part of creating. And one of the most favorite bikes I have actually ever ridden. So thank you very much from the amazing individuals from around the world. Seriously, thank you for helping such amazing things occur. And I hope you have an amazing future, of who I'm referring about. Alright. Bye.